Ihinda-inĩ rĩa mwaka ũmwe cira wa Ekwĩrwo 11 ya ungumania wa kĩgĩna wabici-inĩ cia NGCDF ya Olokalou rũhonge-inĩ rwa barabara kĩa mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 55 nĩ ũthire na mbere igoti-inĩ rĩa Nyahururu kũrĩa maabitha IEACC makoretwo makĩenda makinya marũmu gũtacũkĩrio Ekwĩrwo acio. Ekwĩrwo acio macokirio igoti-inĩ mbere ya mũcirithania Evans Kiago kũrĩa mawakiri a mĩena yerĩ maiguithanĩirie Ekwĩrwo nĩ magũcokia mũigana wa mbeca itanyiheire mirioni 4 kũrĩ thirikari, ona gũtuĩka mawakiri a mwena wa IEACC monanĩte kũregana na mũigana ũcio makiuga ndũraringana na mbeca iria ciaungumirio.
This matter was brought to this court in May of last year, where some officials were accused of embezzling money that was meant for road projects for the constituency, an amount of about 55 million. So there have been negotiations going on since then. The accused people had said they were willing to make restitution, that is to refund the money. And we have been negotiating between the accused people, the DPP, and ourselves as the EACC. And today the agreements were coming for adoption. However, on our part, we felt that the final settlement that was arrived at between the accused people and the prosecution was a bit too low.
Whatever amount we've agreed during the plea bargain, it's actually anchored on the evidence available. And it's also the DPP realization, if it proceeds with the case as it is, then there is a likelihood of acquittal of the accused persons. So we urge the EACC to support the plea bargain agreement. It's in their benefit. The citizens of Kenya and taxpayers are going to recover some amount which is considered to be the amount that was lost during the process that resulted into the charges.
Wakiri Revi Munyeri uria urugamirire Ekwĩrwo augite thengia wa IEACC kuregana na mbeca iria ciguithanĩirio gucokio mwena wa thitangwo nĩguo ri na hinya wa kuheana mwerekera ende itua rĩa muthia rigietererwo gukinyanĩrio tarĩki 8 mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba mwaka uyu.
Okay, the matter will be mentioned on 8th of December for purpose of adoption of the plea bargaining agreement and payment of the agreed amount. You will decide on the next course of action. 8th of... By the way, did I mark you or present? Who is missing? Is your neighbor present?
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawĩra.